All right, let's check this thing out. This is the HOTO. This is that cordless spin scrubber that you get from Costco. It has it's been pre-charged, waterproof, IPX7, USB-C rechargeable, and it has a 51-inch extendable handle. So far, it looks really cool. Reminds me of one of those massager things. So here's the doohickey. It's designed by HOTO. I don't know if you are Hispanic. HOTO kind of means something else, but whatever. Long press, turns faster. And then long press, turns off. Pretty cool. Put one of these things in here. They click in. They don't come out. I mean, honestly, it looks like it drives super slow. Let's see how it handles pressure. So let's do it. Ooh, all right. So sometimes when it goes this slow and you put it against something, it tends to slow down, but I guess it has that torque. That's pretty cool. And then you unclip it. Has a big brush, pretty big, kind of the size of my hand. So you do the shower, I guess. It has like a foamy pad. And then it has the foamy pad sticky thing. Big brush, small brush. It comes with the USB-C cable, which is pretty cool. That means that you could connect it using your own USB cables. It has the booklet to let you know how to use it. It has a foam pad, kind of more. This one is more abrasive. This one is not. It has a little microfiber pad. I'm guessing if you wanted to, what's that called? Wax things. Looks like it has a pouch right here. Cool pouch, so you could put it in and store it, and it's breathable, so when it gets wet it could dry out. And here is the extendable pole. That's pretty cool. So that's it. That's the unboxing. You know what it's used for. I'm not gonna go ahead and scrub anything as of right now. Oh yeah, you hook it up right there. You put the extension pole right there, and then you can use it like that. It's pretty cool. All right. So anyways, feels nice and sturdy, nice and heavy. You know, 4,000 milliamps. Anyways, it does feel nice in the hand. And, you know, it doesn't feel like it's going to break at all. So, you know, things that you buy over at Costco, sometimes, you know, I like buying from Costco because, like that lady that bought her couch and then, like, 10 years later returned it. So, if it doesn't work, Costco doesn't give you that much BS. They just accept it, and then they'll give you your money back. I mean, at least that's been my experience with them so far. So anyways, why did I get this? I got this because, one, I'm kind of lazy, and two, my drill, when I was using my drill in the shower to clean it the other day, you know, with a brush, the battery died really quick. And I don't know why. So I kind of want to have something that it's meant for what it's used. So I don't know if that makes sense. But it does. Anyways, is it worth it? I will use it, and then I'll let you guys know. I put a comment somewhere around here if it's worth it. I mean, it's like 40 bucks, so it isn't. And then you can use it to clean your whole bathroom, so that way your bathroom is not disgusting or whatever. You can use it on whatever you want. Cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll upload this and let me guys know what you guys think in the comment section. Adios.